Welcome viewers to another video. In this video we are going to see how we can play around with the search options in Windows 11 to find something that we are looking into the File Explorer. So it is one of the important part to work efficiently and productively, and a user requires to locate the things quickly as and when needed. So quickly go to your File Explorer. Suppose I am looking for all the pictures that were taken in the current year 2024. System let me search these things. So we can also refine the search by using these search options. If you click here, you will see that you can also search this particular file 2024 into all subfolders, current folders. You can also search by the date, like today, yesterday, the kind of folder, like from where it is coming from, the size. You can search by the size. You can also search for zip folders. You can also even search for the file contents, okay, and even you can change the index location. This really helps in improving your productivity, and you can narrow down the search area and you can get the intended results more quickly and productively. So thanks for watching. I hope you will find these search options useful in searching a file next time.